Hello there and a big welcome to the channel. I hope you're keeping safe and well. Well, in this video we're going to be looking at setting up screen sets, but also looking at some key commands around about viewing options. So why don't we dive into Logic and take a look. Okay, so here we go. So on screen set number 2 is my mixer. And you can see I've got tracks on number 1, tracks and mixer on number 3. I believe 4 is as piano roll. And 5 I've got the live loops and normal arrange page. But let me just delete these out, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take you through the process on how I set these screen sets up. So for your screen set, I tend to just press the number. So this is number 1 screen set, and it's the arrange page. And you can make these adjustments how you see fit, but this is how I like to see my arrange page. And when I'm happy, then you need to lock it down. So if you're from the drop down, just click lock. So that's screen set 1 arrange page locked in place. Number 2 is always my mixer, and what I like to see is this Kleinhelm VU meter. There you go. So again, I've clicked number 2, and the mixer is now on screen set 2, and now you just need to lock it down from the drop down. Okay, number 3 is going to be a combination of the mixer and the arrange page. Again, this is 3 screen sets, so I press 3 first, number 3 first, make my adjustments as I see fit, and then I want to lock this down from the drop down. So you can't actually see this, but the screen sets all the way through to 1 to however many is seen on the drop down between the window and the help drop down. And you'll notice also when you lock the screen set, there's a little dot next to the number, so that will tell you that the screen set is locked down. Okay, so this is number 4, and this is my piano roll. Okay, so finally for me, screen set number 5 is a combination of live loops and the arrange page. So these are my screen sets 1 through to 5. That's locked in place. So 1 is arrange, 2 is mixer, arrange and mixer, piano roll, and live loops with arrange page. And you can have as many combinations as you see fit. Okay, so there's some other options that we can do with regard to screen sets. So we can duplicate, we can rename them. Actually, I think they're named perfectly. I don't need to rename these. We can unlock, so we can make some final adjustments to the screen set. And then we can just lock those again. So that adjustment has been locked in place. Okay, so that's a quick look at screen sets. Okay, so as well as setting up screen sets, to give you a view of your project to speed up your workflow, we've also got a drop down called View, and there's a number of key commands I just want to go through now, and you will find these from the drop down View, and you can see them there. So it's quite useful just to get your head around some of these key commands from your keyboard. It will just speed things up for you. So whether it's looking at the mixer, we can press key command F. There's a number of options there. I'm just going to take you through those now. Okay, so starting with the first one, if you press Y on your keyboard, it will show the library. There you go. Pressing X will get your mixer. If you press E, you're going to get all your editors. If you press B, you're going to get your smart controls. And you can see that also there's, you know, key commands for opening up different browsers. Option C will give us our colours. So what I've tried to do is just to memorise some of these key commands from this drop down and just build these into your everyday workflow. It will speed things up for you. Okay, and finally, Shift Option Control T will open up your toolbar. And T, your tools. Hopefully this video has been of help just for a speedier workflow. But finally, please keep safe and well. Please subscribe, click that bell icon. There's more videos coming all the time, and we will see you very soon.